Welcome to our latest video. In this tutorial we will be identifying candlestick patterns. A vertical line will be displayed when we receive a candlestick pattern. We will identify the hammer, inverted hammer, hanging man, shooting star patterns. This tutorial is based on the MQL5 language. To get access to the language you need to install the MetaTrader 5 platform. Once installed we will begin creating our system. Open the Meta editor. From the MQL wizard select the Include option. Within the Include tutorial folder, create the price data class file. Open the Candlestick data repository. The link to the repository is included in the description below. We will open the Include tutorial folder. Select the price data class file. We will copy the contents of the price data class file. The contents will be stored within our own price data class file. We will replace our own file with the new content. This file contains the class we will be using to identify candlestick patterns. The methods within the class are used to calculate candle properties. We will create a new expert advisor file. This file contains the code that will run on the market. At the top of the file we will add the include, which accesses the price data class file. My price data is an instance of the H price data class. We will use my price data to access the necessary methods to identify candle types. The date-time variables will be used as indexes to draw a vertical line corresponding to the appropriate candlestick type. Within the onTick function, we will use the add price data method. This method adds the price data to the instance of the class. It is based on the copy buffer function. The candle index and average range variables will be used for indexing the appropriate candlestick type. We will initialize the variables that will store the candlestick pattern types. There are 6 total candlestick patterns. 3 bullish candles and 3 bearish candles. If a candlestick pattern is true, the date-time index will be stored. The most recent candle of a type will get the index value. Using the object create function, we will create a vertical line object type. The object set integer function will be used to set the color of the line object. Each candlestick pattern will have a color associated with it. Once that is completed you may backtest the file. You may press the blue play button on the Meta editor. We will backtest the results on the EUR/USD in the 1-hour time frame. We will start the test on the 1st of January 2020 until the 31st of December 2021. A vertical line will be displayed when a candlestick pattern is received. Each candlestick pattern has a color associated with it. Candle pattern types are identified using their candle attributes. Candle attributes are body size, upper wick size, and lower wick size. A candle is received as a candle pattern if the candle attributes are long. A long candle is a candle whose size is greater than the average size. A Marubozu type is a long candle with a significant body size. A shooting star is a long candle with a significant upper wick size. A hammer is a long candle with a significant lower wick size. A significant candle attribute size is a value that occupies more than 70% of the total candle size. We may alternatively use the system on the 15-minute time frame. You may use it to identify scalping opportunities. We will be combining this candlestick identification system with technical indicators and support and resistance concepts. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this content useful, like and subscribe. Link to the full code is in the description below.